Let's start with the basic rule for expanding brackets. For a single bracket, a times the quantity b plus c equals a b plus ac. You multiply the outside term by everything inside. For two brackets, the quantity a plus b times the quantity c plus d equals a c plus ad plus bc plus bd. Every single term in the first bracket must multiply every single term in the second bracket. That's 4 multiplications in total. Let's try worked example 1. Expand the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 2. First x times x, which gives x squared, then x times negative 2, which gives negative 2x. Notice we carry that negative sign through carefully. Next 3 times x, which gives 3x, then 3 times negative 2, which gives negative 6. Now combine all 4 terms, x squared, negative 2x plus 3x minus 6. The negative 2x and the 3x are like terms, so they combine to give positive x. So the final answer is x squared plus x minus 6. Now worked example 2, expand 2x times the quantity 3x minus 4. This time it's a single bracket, so we only need 2 multiplications, not 4. 2x times 3x gives 6x squared, then 2x times negative 4 gives negative 8x, so the answer is 6x squared minus 8x. Here's a useful trick for the double bracket case, the word FOIL. It stands for first, outer, inner, last, and it tells you the fixed order to do the 4 multiplications in, so you never lose track of one. First means the first term in each bracket multiplied together. Outer means the 2 outermost terms. Inner means the 2 innermost terms. Last means the last term in each bracket multiplied together. Now the most common trip up, students forget one of the 4 multiplications, and it is usually the inner one. This happens especially often when there's a negative sign involved, because it's easy to drop the sign or skip the term entirely. So here's a teaching tip to avoid that. Before you multiply anything, draw 4 connecting lines between the terms in the 2 brackets and number them 1 to 4, first, outer, inner, last. Complete each of these 4 multiplications as its own isolated step, writing down every result, and only combine like terms at the very end.